Welcome to a pyramid preview on our recent report, How NGNs Enable Advanced Telco Services. In addition to an analysis on market context and drivers for NGN and NGN services, devices, pricing models, and business practices, this report also provides an overview of several major telecom operators with services that are in various stages of deployment over NGN and IMS frameworks, including Verizon, AT&T, British Telecom, and NTT. This preview will highlight the two case studies on British Telecom and NTT. The concept of the NGNs has been a quiet catalyst of a revolution in telecommunications and has become an integral part of the long-term infrastructure and service roadmaps for many carriers around the world. British Telecom's 21st century network makes the UK one of the first countries in the world to replace its existing network with an NGN. Like all other NGN adopters, BT is responding to the promise of maintaining one network platform that is easier to upgrade and easier for adding new services. Rather than engaging in an active effort to recruit developers as Verizon and AT&T have, BT has focused on enterprise services to monetize their networks through third-party mobile applications. BT serves more than 7,000 corporate accounts with the virtualized enterprise services and considers itself to be the global leader in networked IT services. BT operates more than 1,000 Ethernet service nodes and provides MPLS services in the UK, the Americas, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, and is therefore in a position to serve the largest multinational enterprises with NGN-based services. BT claims that it reduced its cost by 7% in 2011, in part by making changes in its network topology. By these measures, BT's 21st Century Network initiative has been a success, although the negative impact of changes to foreign currency exchange rates caused revenue to decline, and therefore BT Global Services sustained a loss. NTT, the incumbent national telephone operator in Japan, has deployed a wide range of services over NGN. IPTV and multi-screen services were developed and implemented by NTT Communications and are offered under the Hikari TV brand. NTT was a very early NGN adopter, having announced its commitment to using the technology in 2004 as part of the group's medium-term management strategy. Field trials for IPTV multicast HD video, network security, and for service integration began at the end of 2006. This exhibit from the report shows NTT's early deployment roadmap, which was achieved. Reasons for the commitment to NGN include support for IP, which NTT saw as being fundamental for supporting diverse services and key to achieving economies of scale across services. NTT also saw the potential of NGN as a way to connect with other carrier networks and enable new kinds of business services. These expectations have been realized in NTT's IPTV and multi-screen services, as well as NTT's ability to host advanced video acquisition and production capabilities that require the participation of multiple partners. NTT already offers an ambitious value-added service over its NGN in the form of its Hikari TV offering, and has implemented a rigorous standards-based framework to bring it to fruition. The fact that Hikari TV has passed the 2 million subscriber mark and has become profitable seems to validate the NGN architecture approach that was taken by NTT. Even more ambitious is NTT's SynCloud service, which will enable a collaborative video post-production and content sharing platform for the film industry. It will be launched in the U.S. by NTT America. Although its proof-of-concept application was an ambitious project, it is too early to assess the success of it because the services are just now coming to market. This makes it impossible to determine yet whether they will be profitable or worthwhile use of NTT's network. In the end analysis, it may be enough of a measure of success just to demonstrate NTT's thought leadership in these applications. This new report by Pyramid addresses both the technical and the business value aspects of NGN and provides an overview of the NGN market context and drivers. Pyramid looks into the technologies and their readiness, including the IMS architecture. Mobile IP access and communications, application signaling, IPTV, and service delivery platforms are also examined. Pyramid explores NGN services, devices, pricing models, and best practices. Case studies of NGN deployments are presented next, followed by analysis of NGN performance and business opportunities for operators. Thank you very much for your interest in this report, which is part of Pyramid's thematic report series and is available for purchase here at pyr.com. For more questions, please contact a representative at one of our offices around the world, and we will be happy to assist you.